How to import custom invoice template into QuickBooks. An invoice is issued by a seller and contains information about the quantities and costs involved in the delivery of products or services provided to the buyer. A custom invoice helps build brand identity, hence it is a smart choice. While you can use the standard invoice created in QuickBooks, you may prefer using a custom invoice to enhance your brand identity. Using a custom invoice is very simple in QuickBooks. You can create an invoice to your specifications in Microsoft Word and easily import it to QuickBooks. In this video, you will learn how to import a custom invoice template in a few simple steps. To import your custom invoice to QuickBooks, here's what you need to do. 1. Enable Import Style in QuickBooks Labs. 2. Create your template in Microsoft Word. 3. Import your custom invoice template into QuickBooks. 4. Map marked areas in your document to QuickBooks data fields. 5. Choose Customize and select the saved custom template. Let us start. The first step is to enable Import Style in QuickBooks Labs. Select the gear icon at the top and then select QuickBooks Labs. This will lead you to the page shown on screen. Scroll down the page and toggle the switch for Import Style to On and then click Done. The second step is to create your template in Microsoft Word. Let us see an example. Open an existing invoice or create your invoice in Microsoft Word and customize it as per your preferences. QuickBooks will map data from your Word document if you use angle brackets to mark the text you want to see in your invoice. Any text that needs to remain the same need not be marked in angle brackets. Use Microsoft Word tables for the contents. Create the table layouts with simple rows and columns to get best results. Do not merge or split cells and tables placed inside of tables, as this can cause unexpected problems. Avoid the following elements as they can cause issues with the import: audio, clip art, word art, animated GIFs, embedded files, adding or updating hidden links or merging fields, files over 2 MB, non-docx file types or older MS Word documents renamed as .docx files. The third step is to import your custom invoice template into QuickBooks. Select the gear icon at the top. Then choose Custom Form Styles. You will be taken to the page as shown here. Choose the New Style drop-down on the top right of the page and select Import Style. On the next page, choose Browse and select the template file from your system. Select Next to upload your document. On clicking Next, QuickBooks analyzes and scans the marked fields in the uploaded document before mapping. Once you have uploaded the file successfully, you will see this screen. If the upload is not successful, you will see a message like this. The table tells you what your error code means and suggests a fix. Following the instructions will help you resolve issues with upload. Let us move to the fourth step, that is, map marked areas in your document to QuickBooks data fields. After the file is uploaded, you need to map marked areas in your document to QuickBooks data fields. Review each field to ensure it corresponds to mapped fields from your template. Each field is assigned with a number which corresponds to text enclosed in brackets on the invoice preview. For example, billing address is number 1. To ensure correct mapping, click on the drop-down arrow and choose the right mapping for each line item. Another way to map your line items correctly is to type in a term from your line item. The items with similar words will show up and you can choose the right item. For example, if you type in total, the system will show fields that contain the search term. Click on Next button to preview your invoice. The last step is to confirm that the style for your template is as per your specifications. If everything looks fine, click Save. Enter a name for the new style. Let us name it Airy Pro. There are chances that you may receive an error code. You can see the error code table to understand what the issue means and how it can be fixed. The fifth and final step is to choose Customize and select the saved custom template. To do so, click on any customized template. In this case, it is Airy Pro. You will be taken to template screen as shown here. To save it to your system, you can click on the download option as shown on the top right of the screen and save it in your system. Congratulations! Your custom invoice is now imported to QuickBooks and ready for your use.